Hi friends, welcome. Today's busy Bharat Ratna Award list in India. Introduction about the Bharat Ratna Awards. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award in India. This award is conferred for achievements in the field of science, literature, arts, and public services. In 2013, sports were also included. The award has the shape of a people leaf and is bronze toned. The award has the emblem of sun in the middle, Bharat Ratna, are inscribed below the emblem in Devanagari script. On the reverse side, state of emblem and state of motto Satyameva Jayate. Bharat Ratna Award is started in 1954 till 2019. Totally 48 recipients have get awarded. Total Bharat Ratna Award recipient until 2019 48 peoples. In the 16 posthumous they get after the death and 5 females. Now we see the total award winners and their activities. Number 1, C. Rajagopalachari, recipient in 1954, the first recipients. He was an Indian independence activist, statesman and lawyer. Rajagopalachari was the only Indian and the last Governor General of independent India. He was Chief Minister of Madras Presidency in 1937 to 1939 and Madras State in 1952 to 1954 and the founder of the Indian political party Swatantra Party. Number 2, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He served as the India's first Vice President in 1952 to 1962 and the second President in 1962 to 1967. Since 1962, his birthday on 5 September is observed as Teachers' Day in India. Number 3, C.V. Raman, the first recipient in 1954. Widely known for his work on the scattering of light and the discovery of the effect, better known as Raman scattering. Raman mainly worked in the field of atomic physics and electromagnetism and was presented Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Number 4, M. Visvesvaraya, in 1955 recipient. He was a civil engineer, statesman, and Diwan of Mysore in 1912 to 1918. Was a knight commander of the Order of the Indian Empire. His birthday, 15 September, is observed as Engineers' Day in India. Number 5, Bhagavan Das, recipient in 1955. He was an independent activist, philosopher, and educationalist, and co-founder of Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidya Vedant, worked with Madan Mohan Malaviya for the foundation of Banaras Hindu University. Number 6, Jawaharlal Nehru, recipient in 1955. He was an independent activist and author. Nehru is the first and longest serving Prime Minister of India in 1947 to 1964. Number 7, Gobind Ballabha Pant, recipient in 1957. He was an independent activist. Pant was a Premier of United Provinces in 1937 to 1939 and in 1946 to 1950 and first Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh in 1950 to 1954. Number 8, Dondo Kesav Karve, recipient in 1958. He was a social reformer and educator. Karve is widely known for his works related to women education and remarriage of Hindu widows. He established the Widow Marriage Association in 1883, Hindu Widows Home in 1896, and started Srimati Nathibai Damodar Thackeray a women's university in 1916. Number 9. Vidhan Chandra Roy, recipient in 1961. He was a physician, political leader, philanthropist, educationalist, and social worker. Roy is often considered as maker of modern West Bengal. He was the second chief minister of West Bengal in 1948 to 1962, and his birthday on July 1st is observed the National Doctors' Day in India. Number 10. Purushottam Das Tandon, recipient in 1961, often titled as Rajarshi Tandon, was an independence activist and served as Speaker of the UP Legislative Assembly in 1937 to 1950. He was actively involved in a campaign to get official language status to Hindi. Number 11. Rajendra Prasad, recipient in 1962, he was an independent activist, lawyer, statesman, and scholar. Prasad was closely associated with Mahatma Gandhi in the non-corporate movement for Indian independence. He was later elected the first president of India. Number 12. Zakir Hussain, recipient in 1963. He was independent activist and education philosopher. Hussain served as a vice chancellor of Muslim University in 1948 to 1956 and the governor of Bihar in 1957 to 1962. Later, he was elected as a second vice president of India in 1962 to 1967. Number 13. Pandurang Vaman Kane, recipient in 1963. He was Indologist and Sanskrit scholar. Kane is the best known for his five-volume literary work, History of Dharmasastra, Ancient and Medieval Religious and Civil Law in India. The monumental work that extends over nearly 6,500 pages and being published from 1930 to 1962. Number 14. Lal Bahadur Shastri, recipient in 1966, known for his slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Hail the soldier, hail the farmer. Independence activities, Shastri served as second Prime Minister of India in 1964 to 1966 and led the country during the Indo-Pakistan War in 1965. Number 15. Indira Gandhi, recipient in 1971, crowned as the Iron Lady of India. Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India during 1966 to 1977 and 1980 to 1984 during the Indo-Pakistan War in 1971. Her government supported Bangladesh Liberation War, which led to formation of new country Bangladesh. Number 16. V.V. Giri, recipient in 1975. He was involved in the Irish Sinn Féin movement. He was elected as the first president to the All India Trade Union Congress in 1926. Number 17. K. Kamaraj, recipient in 1976. An independent activist and statesman, Kamaraj was a former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for three terms 1954 to 57, 1957 to 62, and 1962 to 1963. Number 18. Mother Teresa, recipient in 1980. She was a Saint Mother Teresa of Calcutta. was a Catholic nun and the founder of the Missionaries of Charity. She was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for the humanitarian work in 1979. Number 19, Vinoba Bhave, recipient in 1983. He was independent activist, social reformer, and a close associate of Mahatma Gandhi. Bhave is the best known for his Bhudan movement, land gift movement. He was given the honorific title Acharya, teacher. Number 20, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, recipient in 1987. Widely known as Frontier Gandhi, independent activist and Pashtun leader. Khan was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. He joined Khilaf movement in 1920. Number 21, M.G. Ramachandran, recipient in 1988. He was an actor turned politician. Ramachandran served as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for three terms in 1977 to 1980 and 1980 to 1984 and 1985 to 1987. Number 22, B.R. Ambedkar, a recipient in 1990, social reformer and leader. The Ambedkar was the first chief architect of the Indian Constitution. Number 23, Rajiv Gandhi, recipient in 1991. Gandhi was the ninth Prime Minister of India, serving from 1984 to 1989. Number 24, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, recipient in 1991. Widely known as the Iron Man of India, Patel was an independence activist in 1947 to 1950. Post independence, Sardar, a leader, Patel worked with VP Menon towards dissolving 555 princely state into the Indian Union. Number 25, Morarji Desai, recipient in 1991, an Indian independence activist, fourth Prime Minister of India. Number 26, J.R.D. Tata, recipient in 1992, chairman of the Tata Group. Number 27, Satyajit Ray, recipient in 1992, Indian filmmaker, screenwriter, music composer, and graphic artist, lyricist, and author. Number 28, Arun Asaf Ali, recipient in 1997, an Indian independence activist, first mayor of Delhi. Number 29, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, recipient in 1992, an Indian scholar, independent activist, and a senior leader of the Indian National Congress. Number 30, Gulzarilal Nanda, recipient in 1997, He was an Indian political and economist who specialized in labor issues. Number 31, M.S. Subbulakshmi, recipient in 1991, an Indian Carnatic singer from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Number 32, Sidambaram Subramaniam, recipient in 1998. He was a politician and independent activist. Number 33, Jayaprakash Narayan, recipient in 1999, an Indian independent activist, theorist, socialist, and political leader. Number 34, Amartya Sen, recipient in 1999, an Indian economist and philosopher. Number 35, Ravi Shankar, recipient in 1999, an Indian musician and a composer of Hindustani classical music. Number 36, Lata Mangeshkar, recipient in 2001, Indian playback singer and music director. Number 37, Bismillah Khan, recipient in 2001, an Indian musician credited with popularizing the Senoi. Number 38, Bhimsen Joshi, recipient in 2009. He was an Indian vocalist from Karnataka. Number 39, C.N.R. Rao, recipient in 2014. Currently, he headed up the Scientific Advisory Council to the Prime Minister of India. Number 40, Sachin Tendulkar, recipient in 2014, former captain of the Indian national team and one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. Number 41, Madan Mohan Malaviya, recipient in 2015, an Indian educationalist and politician. Number 42, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, recipient in 2015, Indian politician, statesman, and a poet. He served 3 terms as the Prime Minister of India. Number 43, Pranab Mukherjee, recipient in 2019, 13th President of India. Number 44, Nanaj Deshmukh, recipient in 2019. He was a social activist. Number 45, Bhupen Asarika, recipient in 2019, an Indian playback singer, lyrist, a musician, singer, poet, and filmmaker from Assam. Number 46. Dr. Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, recipient in 1990, was the second non-citizen and Indian recipient, leader of anti-apartheid movement. Number 47. Gopinath Bordolai, recipient in 1999, first Chief Minister of Assam. Number 48. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, recipient in 1997, Missile Man of India.